What's up, YouTube? Today I want to show you how to remove an e-brake cable from a JL. This one recently got an axle swap from the factory Rubicon Dana 44s to Dana 60 one-ton axles, and the e-brake setup is completely different on the axle. So I already pulled out the factory cable. I did the axle swap. You unhook it from there, you just zip tie them up out of the way. The new cables are finally in, so I have to go inside under the center console to remove the cable. Now, note this section here where you could fit a wrench on. That's important. And note these clip tabs. That's important as well. So, that end of the cable runs under the center console. In order to remove the center console, there are 4 little 10mm bolts. There's one here in the back corner. It has this plastic little cover. It's just plastic tabs that hold it in. You can use a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to pop them off. And it's this little 10mm bolt. So there's one here, there's one right on the other side, and there's one in the front right there, and one directly on the driver's side as well. This is from the front. They all look the same, little 10mm bolts. Once you get those out, you can pull the center console up. I'm just using some wood to help keep it propped up. I've got most of the carpet peeled back under the seat.